This video will show how to calculate three types of depreciation methods, such as straight line, diminishing balance, and units of production. We have depreciation amount, depreciation expense, straight line depreciation rate. For diminishing balance function, I will run that. Our depreciation expense and units of production function, we run. And we get depreciation amount per unit, depreciation expense. Using our data dictionary for the pizza delivery van, we will make a function for the straight line method, pass in a dictionary, get the elements from our data dictionary into an array, van as our name, cast it as a list, depreciation amount, that is the cost, subtract estimated residual value, is our depreciation amount, divided by the estimated useful life years, straight $100 divided by and we print depreciation amount into dots, depreciation amount, depreciation expense. Then we print out our straight line depreciation rate format. Now we call our function, straight line method, pass in our pizza van delivery. Next, we have our diminishing balance. We are still using the same data dictionary. If you wanted to call your data dictionary again, it's called pizza delivery van, and you get your values back. So diminishing balance, this time we need to pass in our dictionary and then a multiplier. Depreciation rate is 100. We want to be lazy here. So, estimated useful life in years, so that is 2. Remember, it's 0, 1, 2. Double depreciation rate is depreciation rate times the multiplier divided by 100. Depreciation expense cost times the double depreciation rate. Diminishing balance, new line, depreciation expense, colon, comma, format, depreciation expense. Call our function, we have the pizza delivery van, and our multiplier 2. Run our function. We have units of production method, units, production, pass in a dictionary, depreciation amount, van cost is 0, subtract estimated residual value, which is 1. Depreciation per unit is depreciation amount divided by second from the last, and depreciation expense is depreciation per unit times the last one in the array, units per year, kilometers. Then we print That concludes this video.